Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Most repeated 1000 MCQ series, part number 35, question number 9 to 6. Who is the first law minister of Pakistan? Liaquat Ali Khan, Joginder Nath Mandal, Quaid-e-Azam. The correct answer, Joginder Nath Mandal, is the first law minister. Pakistan first law minister, Joginder Nath Mandal. Who is the first Chief Justice of Pakistan? Sir Chaudhry Muhammad Ali, Sir Abdul Rashid, A.R. Cornelius. The correct answer, Sir Abdul Rashid. First Chief Justice of Pakistan, Sir Abdul Rashid. The biggest zoo of Pakistan? Karachi Zoo, Islamabad Zoo, Lahore Zoo. The correct answer, area wise, the biggest zoo of Pakistan is Lahore Zoo. The largest cricket stadium of Pakistan? National Stadium, Karachi, Rafi Cricket Stadium, Bahriya Town, Karachi, Qaddafi Stadium, Lahore. The correct answer, Rafi Cricket Stadium, Bahriya Town, Karachi. Largest cricket stadium of Pakistan is Rafi Cricket Stadium, Bahriya Town, Karachi. The drossometer is used for? Measure the humidity, measure the dew, measure the rain, none. Correct answer, measure the dew drops. The drossometer is used for measure the dew drops. 1 inch is equal to 20 mm, 25.4 mm, 30 mm. The correct answer, 25.4 mm. 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm. Where is the Haran Minar is located? Lahore, Sheikhupura, Gujranwala. The correct answer, Sheikhupura. Haran Minar, the famous place, is located in Sheikhupura. Which desert is called Friendly Desert? Kalahari Desert, Gobi Desert, Third Desert. Third Desert. The correct answer, Friendly Desert, is Third Desert. Yet simply Third Desert is known as Friendly Desert, or a nickname of Friendly Desert. Commonwealth Day is celebrated 20 May, 24 May, 20 June. The correct answer, 24 May. Commonwealth Day is celebrated 24 May. Who is the first Punjabi poem? The correct answer, Baba Farid. First Punjabi poem, Baba Farid. SARC Human Resource Development Center is located in Islamabad. SARC Human Resources Development Center is located in Islamabad. Copper deposit in Pakistan? Khushab, Skardu, Chagi. The correct answer, Chagi. The largest copper deposits in Pakistan is Chagi. First elected president of Pakistan? Ayub Khan. First Pakistani who is elected as president is known as Ayub Khan. To the Lighthouse famous novel was written by? Virginia Woolf. The famous novel To the Lighthouse was written by Virginia Woolf. The first airline of Pakistan? The correct answer, Orient Airline. First airline of Pakistan is Orient Airline. The headquarters of the European Union at? Brussels. The headquarters of the European Union is Brussels. Who is the viceroy at the time of Bengal partition 1905? The correct answer, Lord Curzon. Very famous question. Who is the viceroy at the time of Bengal partition? Lord Curzon. First summit of SARC was held at? The correct answer, Dhaka, Bangladesh. First summit of SARC was held at Dhaka, Bangladesh. MS Word is an example of application software. MS Word is an example of application software. Control, Shift and Alt are called modifier. Repeat it. Control, Shift and Alt are called modifier. What does LED stands for? The correct answer, light emitting diode. LED stand for light emitting diode. What does LCD stand for? The correct answer, liquid crystal display. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. Tesla is a unit of magnetic flux density. Tesla is a unit of magnetic flux density. Which provincial assembly has been dissolved on 12th August 2023? Balochistan Assembly. Balochistan Assembly was dissolved 12th August 2023 recently. Currency of Maldives. The correct answer, Rufiya. Currency of Maldives, Rufiya. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.